Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive Facebook notifications by SMS for tags on your PC. Facebook has recently updated this feature, making it easier than ever to stay connected with your friends and family. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to set up SMS notifications for tags on your computer. Let's get started with the process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a row of icons, including a bell-shaped icon for notifications. Click on this notifications icon to open the drop-down menu. In the notifications drop-down, you'll notice 3 dots in the upper right corner. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Notifications Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize all your notification preferences. On the Notifications Settings page, scroll down until you find the Tags section. Click on it to expand the options. Here, you'll see various ways to receive notifications when you're tagged in posts, photos, or comments. Look for the SMS option and enable it by toggling the switch next to it. Once you've done this, Facebook will send you text messages whenever someone tags you in any content on the platform. And that's it. You've successfully set up SMS notifications for tags on Facebook using your PC. Now you'll never miss an important mention or tag, even when you're away from your computer. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page to adjust your preferences or turn off SMS notifications if you find them too frequent. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.